what's up, I'm Arya and welcome back to my channel. So this is a very special video for you guys who are going to start your college days soon. So आप में से बहुत बच्चों ने एडमिशन ले लिया है, बहुत वेट कर रहे हैं फर्दर लिस्ट के या एंट्रेंस के रिजल्ट्स के, एंड आई नो आप अभी सोच रहे होगे कि दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि कौन सा कॉलेज लूँ, किस कोर्स में एडमिशन लूँ एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. सही है, आप लो टेंशन. यू चूज वॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज़ योर बेस्ट कॉलेज, योर ड्रीम कॉलेज एंड टेक एडमिशन इन दैट. बट दिस वीडियो इज़ ऑल अबाउट कि अगर आपने एडमिशन ले लिया है तो उसके बाद जब आप कॉलेज लाइफ स्टार्ट करोगे अपना, तो वॉट ऑल थिंग्स आर रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो. एंड आई एम इन द थर्ड ईयर राइट नाउ, सो जो मैंने सीखा है कॉलेज में एंड विच आई थिंक इज़ रियली यूजफुल फॉर यू, बिकॉज एक टाइम के बाद आपका कॉलेज इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं रखेगा कि आप किस कॉलेज में हो. वॉट विल बी मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ दैट उस कॉलेज में आप क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो. एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू टुडे. सम एडवाइस फ्रॉम माय साइड, सॉर्ट ऑफ अ मैसेज फ्रॉम योर सीनियर्स. एंड टू मेक दिस वीडियो even more special and more useful to you, I have a bunch of friends with me today who have sent in advice for you and their message for you which they learned in their 3 years of their college. They are all my friends, so all of them are in the third year and from DSJ, that is Delhi School of Journalism. So आप किसी भी कॉलेज में जा रहे हो, किसी भी कोर्स में जा रहे हो, this video is going to be really helpful for you, and especially for the students who are taking admission in DSJ, who are going to take admission in DSJ, जो journalism के courses में admission लेने वाले हैं, उनके लिए ये video बहुत useful होगी. So make sure to watch it till the end and stick till the end to get that surprise from many of your seniors. Now without much blabbering, let me just tell you my points and what all I think will be useful for you once you start your college, and what all you should do while in college. So yeah, so I've just added a bunch of philosophical as well as practical things that you need to keep in mind before coming to college. So let's just start with it. So point number 1 is to get an internship. Now getting an internship is really important, and I assume that most of you are taking admission in Delhi University, so you are just going for a normal graduation degree, which means BA, BCom or BSc, and these normal graduation degrees will get you nowhere unless you have some experience of your own and unless you build your CV of your own. So building your CV needs a lot of experience and internships from various firms. Once you're in college, apply for internships in any field that you're interested in and that you think is your strength and your strong point. So yeah, that will really help building your CV, and it is really important because I personally started doing it from a very later stage, and I feel that I should have done it before, so that is why I'm telling you, start getting internships from the very first day itself once you're in college. So yeah. Second point is to be in touch with your seniors. Now being in touch with your seniors will really help you getting an insight of your own path, because obviously if you are in touch with a senior of the same course that you are in, you can see his or her career developing a year before you have to reach there. So that helps a lot and you get a better idea. And also in terms of friendships, they are really helpful. So yes, be in touch with your seniors. The third point is to work on your communication skills. Now while in college, it is really important that you have a good communication skill, because obviously you're not in school anymore and much more will be expected from you here. So it is really important that you work on your communication skills. Point number 4 is practical knowledge. Now by practical knowledge, I mean knowledge apart from your academics, because if you're just confined to academics and you're just scoring good and stuffs, but you're not doing anything extra, it will, first of all, it will hamper your own personality growth, and secondly, just academics will lead you nowhere. So you need to do something extra. You need to have a practical knowledge about something that you're good in or anything at all. So yeah, work on your practical knowledge as well along with your academics. Academics are equally important, but if you're not doing anything else apart from that, it'll be useless. Point number 5 is to take care of yourself, because you're coming from homes, you're coming from different cities and stuffs, and here you'll be staying in hostels, PGs, rooms, flats and stuff like that. So it is really important that you are responsible enough and that you learn to take care of yourself, and you're not just going in flow with anybody and everybody you meet out here. So it is really important to take care of yourself and be responsible. So that is the 5th point. Now in the 6th point, I need you to know that friendships groups are important, but a large group of friends is not as good as a small group of friends. So don't just be after making friends with anybody and everybody you meet here. And yeah, it is a gradual process. It is going to happen. You'll be here for so many years, so you will make great friends, but don't just be after making friends from the day one. The seventh point you need to know is that marks definitely are important. Right now you're getting admission on the basis of your marks and cutoffs and stuffs, but once you reach college, none of it matters. Once you reach college, what you're doing here matters the most. So even if you scored, you know, a good 98 or 99%, once you're in the class where everybody, you know, stands on the same level, it won't matter how much marks did you score. It will matter what you're doing there at that moment. So that is more important. So take care of that. Now the last suggestion from my side is going to be that never get intimidated by others' achievements. In college you're going to meet a lot of people, different people with different ideas and different, you know, strengths and stuffs, but you have your own strength, you have your own world, you have something very unique than others, you have your own, you know, unique quality. So make sure you brush up on that and not look what others are doing and not get intimidated by that and not feel bad about yourself that you are not doing anything, because every child has his or her own speed and it is okay to move at your own pace. Now enough of blabbering from my side. मैं आपको हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बताती रहती हूँ, but now it is time to listen to other seniors of yours, and because all of them have something important to tell you, and a very, you know, all of their advices are going to be really helpful for you. So yeah, if you wish to get connected with me, you can do so through Instagram. The link will be available in the description box, and now watch the video till the end.
Hey freshers, this is Aishman from DSJ. First of all, welcome to DU. You know, this university is going to give a lot to you. You just need to grasp all the opportunities you can. Even if you miss some in the beginning, don't be worried about it. You know, everything will fall into place after some time. And I will suggest you not to sit at home and just Netflix and chill, but to discover places and people around. Like in North Campus, there is a ridge around which is extremely beautiful. Also, apart from the academics, try to develop a skill. And if you already have one which intrigues you, try to brush it up. And just few good tips that गार्ड भैया और सीनियर से हमेशा दोस्ती करके रखना. Second, don't think that your first year friend will be your, you know, hashtag BFF, besties forever for life. You know, the world is very cruel. And third, don't rush into PGs when you are new in some area near to the university. They will just, you know, make you sign an agreement for 2 years and you will be trapped. Okay, good luck for your future.
Hi, I'm Anjali. I'm a third year student at DSJ. My advice to people who are applying for DSJ and courses like journalism is to work. Go out, find internships, find your niche and work. Because when you're pursuing a course like journalism, your CV, your work experience, your knowledge takes you to more places than your college does. So it doesn't matter if you're sitting in DSJ or Columbia School of Journalism. Kind of does, but work. And there are certain assignments that we get that are pretty interesting, so try to do that diligently. And my second advice, and I can't put enough emphasis on this, is write. Go on, write daily. Go read, and it doesn't matter if you're writing a para, paper, single sheet of paper, or, you know, like book. It doesn't matter. Just go out and write. Just write. It gives you more personality as a writer. It makes you more articulated. It's just fine. Go out, do it, and yeah, all the best.
Hello. Hopefully I am going to be a senior. For the basics, I will be telling you a few pointers to keep in mind while in DSJ. First, you need to know about politics and everything, but need not to get involved in it. Second, you will be admired most when you try not to be someone else. Be yourself, you are admirable. Third, you are here to learn. Try to learn things by observing, not by cramming. And fourth, we only have one water cooler, so please kindly bring your own water bottles. Good luck.
Hi everyone. So if you all are coming to DSA, then all the best. And things you should know if you are coming to DSA. That is, first of all, अगर तुम internship करना चाहते हो तो यार खुल के करना. ये टेंशन मत लेना कि फर्स्ट ईयर है, सेकेंड ईयर में अभी हमें इतना नहीं पता, थर्ड ईयर में, क्योंकि थर्ड ईयर में हमें पता चल जाता है, लेकिन ये होता है कि नहीं, आधे बच्चे सोचते हैं कि यार अब तो आना जाना नहीं है कॉलेज में, तो एक काम करते हैं थर्ड ईयर। नहीं यार, जब मन करे तब स्टार्ट कर दो इंटर्नशिप। मैंने टाइम लगा दिया, आई नो, बट फॉर यू गाइज आराम से इंटर्नशिप करो। सेकेंड थिंग, यू ऑल शुड नो दैट बच्चे दूर दूर से आते हैं, घर से आते हैं, तो यू नो पेरेंट्स थोड़ा घबराते हैं। एंड ऑब्वियसली बात है, पेरेंट्स से तो घबराएंगे ही कि बच्चा बिगड़ ना जाए, तो उनका भरोसा मत तोड़ना कभी, पहली बात तो, ठीक है। एंड हाँ, कॉलेज लाइफ में हर कोई इंजॉय करना चाहता है, तो तुम लोग भी करना आराम से, ठीक है। एंड वन मोर थिंग कि कुछ ना कुछ एडिशनल ज़रूर करना, ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ एडिशनल करना, क्योंकि ओनली बाय डूइंग लाइक कॉलेज की पढ़ाई करने से भी, आई नो, कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है, बट एडिशनल करोगे तो ये एक और ऑप्शन रहता है तुम लोग के पास। सो ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय।
Hello guys, first of all welcome to Delhi University. So you all are going to enter into one of the most important phases of your life, which is college life. So it is the time when you can understand what you want from yourself. So if you are a student of journalism, then just go through the newspaper daily, which will improve your thought processing and ultimately lead to better articulation. So just enjoy your life, क्योंकि और ऑप्शन ही क्या है. Good luck to all of you on beginning your new journey.
Advice that I would give to any student who is joining journalism is to start writing and publishing articles from the very first semester, because it really helps once you start applying for internships later on. You can maintain your own blog, or you can just publish on small websites like Youth Ki Awaaz, etc. Just start writing because it really helps.
Hey freshers, welcome to the college. My only piece of advice to you guys would be that if you're serious about journalism, make sure you look beyond the four walls of the college. Internship, part-time job, seminar, do whatever you get your hands into. And for those who are still skeptical if they want to pursue journalism or not, I would suggest the same. Because when you experience a workplace, you get to know if you will be able to sustain there or not. Because this course of mass media, it juggles somewhere between theories and practical experiences. So make sure you make the best of it. And I hope we will be able to meet soon as our college opens. Until then, best of luck.
हेलो फ्रेशर्स 2020, दिस इज़ अरुण सिंह। तो आज हम बात करेंगे दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय में ज़िंदगी कैसे बिताएं। तो पहला जो पॉइंट मैंने सोचा है वो होगा एकोमोडेशन। तो अगर आप बाहर से आए हैं तो आपको यूँ इतनी आसानी से एकोमोडेशन नहीं देता है। ट्राई करें, अगर आपकी फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन अच्छी है, कि आप अच्छे पीजी या अच्छे कॉलोनी, मतलब आपके आसपास जिस एरिया में आप रह रहे हैं वो बहुत मैटर करता है। और दूसरी बात जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होगी वो होगी दोस्त कैसे बनाएं, क्योंकि आप अभी कॉलेज में आए हैं और लॉकडाउन भी चल रहा है। तो आपकी किस्मत तो बढ़िया ही है बिल्कुल। तो फिर लेकिन आपके पास एक बहुत बढ़िया निंजा टेक्निक है जो है सोशल मीडिया। तो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद पीपल जो आपके कट ऑफ्स में आए हैं, आपको पता है ये मेरे क्लास में है। दूसरा मैं कहूँगा सोसाइटीज़, क्योंकि सोसाइटीज़ में आप ऐसे लोगों से मिलते हो जो आपके इंटरेस्ट है वो उनके इंटरेस्ट के साथ मैच करते हैं। तो
for me, bachelor's college is not about cramming our brains with all the information we can. वो सब तो अपने स्कूल्स में करके आए हैं कि सारी किताब पढ़नी है, सारा सिलेबस करना है। फॉर मी कॉलेज वॉज मोर ऑफ अ प्लेस वेयर आई लर्न हाउ टू लर्न थिंग्स। सही तरीका क्या है, क्या क्या है जानने को एक्चुअली इस दुनिया में। किताबें ही नहीं है सिर्फ, बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं। सेकेंड थिंग इज कॉलेज गेव मी, इट प्रोवाइड मी विद अ सेफ स्पेस कि जहाँ पे मैं दुनिया को जान सकूँ, जहाँ पे मैं एक्सप्लोर कर सकूँ। नए नए दोस्त बनते हैं, नई पार्टीज हैं, घूमने जाना है, प्रोटेस्ट में जाना है, उनको खड़ा करना है शुरू से। सो या इट्स अ प्लेस वेयर यू गेट टू एक्सप्लोर योर पर्सनैलिटी कि तुम्हारे क्या इंटरेस्ट है, तुम्हारी क्या हॉबीज हैं। सो या
Hi everyone, I am studying in Delhi School of Journalism
And my advice to you all is that we have regional languages like Chinese, Tamil, Bengali. So choose these languages wisely. Not because your friend is choosing Chinese, so you wanna opt for Chinese. Because those languages you have to study and clear them. And now that I have Chinese, and I kinda regret it because I have taken it because of my friend. And it's not school. You have to do it